What are the daily habits a child should follow so that the child does not have vision related problems? And these things also apply to the adults as well. So first thing is like the when the child is studying at home, there should be ample amount of ambient lighting. One should not study in table lamps with dark surroundings. So that leads to a lot of vision strain in children. So whenever the child is studying, make sure that the room is well lit. Secondly, the light should not be behind the child. It should be either in the front or ideally it should be at the top. Okay, so that the child's reflection does not fall upon the work which the child is doing. Secondly, the child should maintain adequate distance from the desk at which the child is working. Thirdly, the child should be having a good posture. The child should be sitting straight on a table and chair. And the height of the chair should be well adjusted with the height of the table. There should not be any stooping down. And as we all know, when children are using digital devices for their entertainment, they have all weird sort of postures and they go very close to the screens, which is not good for their eye health. The radiations and everything coming from the screens lead to a lot of sleep disorders and anxiety problems in children. Now we'll talk about adults. So it's a very common thing that when adults are on screen, they are working, they are working. But when they are away, when they are not working, still they are on screens doing the other jobs or using screens for entertainment in their office breaks. So I would advise these people not to indulge into screens when they are off screen during their working hours. Rather than that, they should see at places which are far away. They should walk around. If your office has windows, then look outside at windows at regular intervals to relax your eyes.